Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was a brief explanation of the Gunung Malat University Forest and also the Faculty of Forestry and Environment of IPB University. And before we come to the closing of this wonderful event, Dr. Vivi Gusduyanti, as the chairman of the symposium, is going to deliver the summary of this ISATROP 2021 and also announcing the best presenter awards winner. So please welcome Dr. Vivi, floor is yours.
Thank you very much, Mr. Hagi, Master of Ceremony, for these 2 days. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I believe that during these 2 days, all of us have obtained a very fruitful discussion in this second ISATROP 2021, whose main theme is tree and human health. We have learned a lot from the plenary session delivered by the amazing keynote and invited speakers who have shared their interesting work. Once again, on behalf of the committee, thank you for delivering such important material so that all of us can deepen our knowledge about design research. Furthermore, I would like to thank all presenters and participants who have joined this symposium from 6 countries. I'm certain that every presenter has presented the application of design research and educational research. Yeah, I sincerely hope that through your presentation and discussion afterwards, all of us can contribute to solving the human health problems through a green receipt approach, or meaning nature, yeah, including trees, forests, and other green open space in our countries. Even though the contribution may be small, but it is still valuable. Dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, to wrap up the symposium, please allow me to read a summary of the second ISATROP 2021. There are 5 points that I highlighted here. So first, development progress of arboriculture industry in the region, ASEAN, varies with respect to organization and operation. It is noticeable that existing law and regulation need to be elaborated further, especially for the ones relating to the development of policy, know-how, guidelines, standards of arboriculture practices, and markets. Second, common environmental settings observed in the regions, in the tropics, open up opportunities for networking and cross-country knowledge transfer, including co-creation of new activities across the country. The third, use of technology is indispensable to reinforce the good arboricultural practices, like non-destructive technology instruments and other sensors-based technology for environmental monitoring. The fourth one, linking arboriculture with ecotourism, like healing forests, like a healing forest related program, are necessary to secure the business and people safety, which is trend will also identify other necessary new knowledge, skills, facilities, and infrastructure. The last one, a regional network of arboriculture associations such as ASEAN, Hong Kong, Taiwan has been proposed and will be initiated. So hopefully we will work together, yeah, for these arboriculture things in ASEAN. So that's all for the symposium summary. Dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, although this is the last day of the symposium process is not yet over. Yeah, there are still some steps that you should that should be done. First, the presenter who have not yet sent the presentation material and also full paper, please send those files to to us, yeah, via email to arboriculture@ipb.ac.id. The email usually used for the symposium. Second, all the full paper will be reviewed by scientific committee, and the committee will send you an email regarding the review results from probably around July to August 2021. Yeah, so July and August is a peer review season. And then the third, please revise your paper according to the review's comment and adjust your paper template according to the requirement of IOPS, yeah, IOPS conference series, Earth and Environment proceeding, in which your paper is going to be published on November 2021. So therefore, we kindly ask you for patience for the peer review process. Dari kapan? Dear, sorry for the problem. Dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, the next thing I would like to say, we are happy to announce the Best Presenter Award. So, ding, 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 ding. The first, we have 3 winners, yeah, for the Best Presenter Award. The first winner will be given to Kanok Wali Sutithorn. I'm really sorry for the misspelling, yeah. From Thailand, whose paper entitled Rules of Vegetation on Air Quality Management and PM 2.5 Mitigation, Bang Chalong National Housing Authority Program, Ampu Bang Fli Samut Prakam. Really sorry for the misspelling. So congratulations, Kanok Wali Sutithorn. Please give applause, yeah, through the reaction. Yay!
Congratulations! Yay! Congrats!
Yay.
And then the second winner will be given to
Congratulations.
Miss Bella
Congratulations.
Baroka, whose paper entitled Concentration of the combination between natural forest and stress relieving treatment on healing forest program, pilot project at Ranca Upas Ciwidey, West Java. So congratulations, Miss Bella Baroka. Please give applause to her.
Congratulations.
And then the third winner will be given to Muhammad Zailani Dahlan from he is Master Program of Landscape Architecture from Institut Teknologi Bandung, whose paper entitled The Challenge of Forest Bathing Tourism in Indonesia. So congratulations for the all winner. Please, for the winner, contact the committee, Ms. Ulfa Askia, yeah, for further information about the the gift. Yay, kita kasih applause lagi. Yeah, please give applause to all the winner. Finally, I would like to thanks all of the committee members, yeah, for organizing the symposium, and that is that is proceeded smoothly. I would also like to apologize for any inconvenience that you might experience during this symposium. I also hope that we can meet again in the third symposium. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good job, Dr. Vivi.
Thank you. Thank you, Puan Putri.
Everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
The third one is there.
Ada ikan ya? Ada ikan. Terima kasih.
Thank you very much, all the speakers. Thank you very much.
Tanya Bella.
The third
Hello
one is
everyone.
in
So
Bogor.
excuse me.
Terbaik.
Excuse me. So to officially close our event, we will officially close it with our Dean. So we are pleased to invite the Dean of Faculty of Forestry and Environment of IPB University, Dr. Nareswara, to please give us a closing remark of ISATROP 2021. Dr. Nareswara, please welcome.
Okay, my voice is clear, Agi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Selamat sore, Bapak Ibu, Tuan-Puan, dear college, keynotes, and invited speaker, moderator, all our presenters, participants, local and international committee, sponsor, contributor, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Alhamdulillah, praise over the presence of God Almighty, because on this day we can be present and gathered today until closing session. I feel very happy meeting you here in a good condition, even though not directly meet face to face, but through this Zoom crowd meeting platform. This pandemic is becoming so terrifying, so please stay safe and healthy wherever you are. Dear participants, considering the importance of trees, green spaces, city parks, and urban forests, the sustainability research management on trees in urban or residential areas required good governance, which is closely related to regulatory aspect, stakeholder participation, and arboriculture development. Therefore, the Faculty of Forestry and Environment of IPB University, together with the Indonesian Society of Arboriculture or Masyarakat Arboriculture Indonesia MARI, and Malaysian Society of Arboris, Persatuan Arboris Malaysia, PAAR, and University of Putra Malaysia, UPM, already successfully organizing an international arboriculture symposiums, the International Symposium on Agriculture in the Tropics, or the second ISATROP on 21 until 22 June 2020, which the themes of trees and human health. It is a great pleasure and honor for me as a Dean of Faculty of Forestry and Environment IPB University to give a closing speech in the 2 days International Symposium. We are happy that almost 150 participants already registered in this event, including graduate student, lecturer, researcher, professional, practitioner, government official from several countries can meet here virtually to share ideas and learn together. All participants are actively discussing, implementing, realizing, and improving their finding and understanding on the role of the trees, green spaces, city park, and urban forests at national and international levels, and to expand and strengthen network communication and cooperation both of the national and international levels between participants, especially academia or government, researchers, as well as the business world in creating an environmentally friendly city in the tropics. Dear colleagues, participants, ladies and gentlemen, this international conference is timely and significant because it aims not only to bring the experience and expert in their field of each country and the experience of lecturers, practitioners, educators, and students to share their necessary knowledge and role of arboriculture science and technology, but also to identify the problems and provide the solution for the present and the future. The presentation of the conference already discussed with interesting 3 topics. Topics 1, urban trees for human health. Topics 2, tree health, regulation, innovation, and capacity building. And topic 3, multidisciplinary. Thank you very much for your contribution and enjoy the scientific atmosphere of this symposium and have unforgettable moments with us here while expanding your knowledge and networking. I hope even with the virtual method, the goals and benefit of these international symposiums can be achieved. I hope this conference will lead to more fruitful discussion and future collaborations among academics, industry, government, organization, and community organizations. It is also hoped that this international symposium will encourage sharing of thoughts, perceptions, and discuss the future and the role of trees, green space, city park, and urban forest science and technology. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to acknowledge and thanks to the contributor and sponsor. I would also to express for valuable assistance to steering committee, supervisor, and organizing committee members from IPB University, UPM Malaysia, MARI, PRRM, and highly appreciation for valuable contribution also to scientific committee from IPB University, Indonesian Society of Arboriculture, Bogor Botanical Garden, Introp and Faculty of Forestry and Environment, University Putra Malaysia, Malaysian Society of Arborists, Allison Tree Consulting Arborists, National Institute of Forest Science and Seoul National University South Korea, CSK Landscape Services Singapore, and Chulalongkorn University Thailand for your great effort in making this international symposium and a reality and a huge success. I'm also express and high appreciation for the contribution of keynote and invited speakers, especially for Dr. Danis Hidayat Sumadilaga from Ministry of Public Works and Housing, Encik Ruslan Yaakob from Malaysian Society of Arborists, Professor Iskandar Siregar from Indonesian Society of Arboriculture, Sujin Park PhD from National Institute of Forest Science South Korea, and Bruce Ellison from Ellison Tree Consultant Arborists USA, Dr. Nuriah Othman from Malaysian Society of Arborists Malaysia, and the last, Mr. Tony Hari Widiananto, the Institution of Engineers Indonesia Forestry Sector. Thank you also give to moderators during 2-day sessions. For day 1, Professor Hadi Susilo Arifin, Dr. Arida Susilowati, Ms. Sophie Fauzia, Dr. Rahmat Hermawan, Dr. Idriga Mansur, Professor Ahmad Ainuddin Nuruddin, Dr. Nizar Nasrullah, and Dr. Nur Farika Haneda. And also moderator for the last day, Professor Iskandar, Muhammad Zainir Jamil, Dr. Vivi Gusduwianti, and Professor Rina Kalinasari. We are very thankful to the contribution of all authors with oral presenters and non-paper participants. Also highly appreciation to proceeding organizing committee, including managing director, proofreader, and layout editor, and last but not least, to the master of ceremony, Mr. Hagi Sujateruna, and the chairman of organizing committee, Dr. Vivi Gusduwianti. Dear participants, ladies and gentlemen, by working hand in hand, I believe we will meet the challenges and find the better findings and results to develop arboriculture more meaningful. We also hope more in-depth collaboration can be established in the future. I look forward to having our next joint academic and research collaboration in the 3rd ISATROP, not only for scientific research network, but also for education and raising awareness on tree regeneration, multifunction and benefit of tree, urban forest, forest for healing, green construction and green building, and also climate change for sustainable future until next generations. Thank you. Terima kasih. Kamsahamnida. Xie xie. Wa kun krab. Billahi taufiq wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum.